Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete uploaded documents in Claude AI. So, if you uploaded your documents to a specific project workspace to serve as a persistent memory, you can remove individual files without deleting your chat history. So, what we are going to do is click on Project in the left sidebar and select the specific project we want. So let's go to the project. I have just one, but if you have it more, select that one which you want to modify. Now what you're going to do, you will look at the panel on the right side of the screen labeled project knowledge here. Instructions also you have, or files. And what you're going to do is just hover over of your file in that project, and you will see at the upper left corner you will see this X icon, which is basically remove this file from that project. If you do that, now we don't have any file in here. And yeah, this is pretty much it how you can do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the